Alright, hey guys, my first video, as in my part, lol. And today, we're just gonna be microwaving, nothing, like microwaving my hand. Now we're gonna be microwaving this bag of Skittles right here. So, let's do it. Got our Skittles. We're going into here. Plop that down. Grab a quick mug. Pretty sure it's microwave safe. So then we just gotta open up the Skittles. Presto. Totally epic editing skills. Now let's just simply pour some of these. Come on. I know you're in there. Let's pour a few of these into there. That might not be enough, so let's just put one more in. Yay. And then quickly... stupid notifications. And then quickly, get out. Eat one. Alright. Now let's open up our microwave. Toss in the Skittles. And set it for just a quick 10 seconds, just in case these go really fast. And so, yeah. 2, 1, bam. Alright. Probably wasn't enough time. Let's see if they... Okay, they definitely got softer. But I don't think it's enough, so let's just set it for 20. Woo. Alright. That was another 20 seconds. It's getting warm in there. You can see a bit. Oh yeah, dude, look. See how it's melted right there. Wait, is this soft? Oh man. Dude, I just crushed that one with my finger. I'm gonna do another one for you guys. Ah, it's hot. So, let's just microwave it for a bit more. I'll say, 13 seconds. See? 13. Alright, just ended. See what happened? Oh, dude, you do not know how hot that is. Dude, it's hot in there. Oh, dude, look, you can see the inside of that grape one. Yeah, you see it right there? That's so weird. Wait. Got a knife. Let's poke one of them. Let's poke this one. Oh, dude, you can see that. That's so cool. But so weird at the same time. What the heck? Oh, you just saw how easily that broke. Look. I'm barely stabbing it. So, this is a Stupid Ideas channel, so we're tossing it in again. 10 seconds. Alright. Let's check this again. Oh, that looks... Oh, dude, look. You can see those bubbles right there. But this stupid camera won't focus. But, dude, you can see some bubbles. It's weird. I'm gonna poke another one. Whoa! Just exploded. That's stupid. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, there's a dot of yellow right there. But again, stupid ideas. More stupid ideas. I think in total I microwaved these for like a minute. Alright. Oh, it's getting so hot in my microwave and this cup's getting... Oh my god! Dude, that looks insane! What the heck? Look at all those bubbles! You guys can actually see them now. Well, that's what Skittles are. Oh my god. It's like whenever you eat Skittles, that's the stuff that... Ow. That's the stuff that you're putting in yourself. Like, literally, look at that. Right? The real question: does it taste good? Oh, did it harden? Ow. But it hardened so fast. Like, wait. This tastes like normal Skittle, except a bit more crunchy. But again, that's why you're putting it inside yourself. Dude, I don't think I never look at Skittles the same way. Oh my god. That's weird. Well, either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ow. And if you liked it, leave a like, obviously, because that's what you do when you like videos. And if you hated this video, leave a like, because that's what you do when you hate videos. And yes, I tried it at home, Mr. Master, and peace out.